to speak. You were safe when you were weak.